let's all welcome the CEO of P&L Jewels, Miss Lorena Herrera Santos.
I'm sorry. Why is she here, sir?
Great question. Guys, I have two announcements. First, we will be bringing P&L Jewels to the Pearl Vault family. Second, my wife will be joining us to help modernize our brand.
Let me understand this, Wilfred. You needed a restraining order to keep me out of your house. And now you drag her into our company? Hindi nga natin alam kung sino talaga ang babaeng yan at kung saang impyerno siya nanggaling.
Let me remind everyone here that the person they're addressing is not only our new creative head, but my wife as well. So I suggest they choose their next words carefully.
Wilfred, Ronnie, let's keep this professional, okay? Ronnie, acquisitions are business decisions. Lorena's brand fills a gap in our company's portfolio.
Dennis, small time lang ang business ni Lorena. Ano namang mapapala natin sa small business niyang hindi pa naman stable?
Ronnie, kung tatanggalin mo lang ang biases mo, makikita mo P&L Jewels growth potential.
Biases?
Totoo naman talaga eh. Unique ang designs at branding niya.
With all due respect, sir, I've built this company's marketing arm from the ground up. So forgive me if I question rushing into a deal with no due diligence. And before we talk about growth potential, sige nga, nasan yung full audit ni Lorena? And risk assessment? And hello? Unique designs? Nakita ko na lahat ng mga original collections niya kuno. Lahat naman ay kinopya sa mga indie brands. Kaya mapapahiya lang ang kumpanya natin kung kukunin natin ang small copycat business ng babaeng yan.
Tama na. Wilfred, kung ayaw niya sa akin, huwag mong pilitin. Ayoko maging dahilan ng gulo. And yes, Ronnie, small business lang ako. Pero hindi ako magnanakaw. Kung gusto mo ng numbers, sige. Eto, full audit. Andito rin yung listahan ng mga suppliers na nag-a-attest na original ang designs ko. Ngayon, kung hindi pa sapat yan, andito naman yung mga designs ko from 2 years ago. Bago lumabas yung mga sinabi mong kinopya ko. Now, if that's not enough, siguro nga, I don't belong here.
No, Lorena, hindi ka aalis.
Let her. Hindi natin siya kailangan.
Ronnie, you've crossed the line repeatedly. So I'll give you a choice. Either you align to this company, my company's vision, or you can hand in your resignation. And if anybody here has any question about my wife's integrity, I will make that decision for them.
Remember this, Wilfred. If this house of cards collapses, I'll be the one saying I told you so.
Pare. You've made your position clear, okay? No need to escalate this further. Lorena, congratulations. Welcome to our company.
Salamat.
Okay, can we get into this meeting already? What's the first agenda?